I was looking to buy a good pair of earbuds without breaking the bank. I wanted something that can seamlessly connect to the different devices I have around the house, something with decent sound quality, great battery life, a bit of water resistance, good Bluetooth range, and most importantly, something that fits within my budget. Recently, Vankyo reached out to me and sent me their wireless earbuds. How's it going, everyone? My name is Kazi, and today we're going to be checking out these awesome new earbuds from Vankyo. Inside the box, we have the carrying case and the earbuds, a small micro USB cable, a micro USB to USB adapter, spare 3 pairs of flexible silicone tips in 3 different sizes, and a user manual. First of all, let's talk about the build quality. Right out of the box, these earbuds doesn't look cheap. The metal case is definitely a unique touch. It has an all-around matte painted finish and a nice little silver lining around the edges, which gives it a premium look. On the top, you can see the Vankyo logo. On this side, we have the cool LED display. This LED display lets you check the power of the left and right earbuds independently. Dimension-wise, the box is 9 cm by 5 cm and the depth is around 3 cm. The beveled edges makes it easy to hold or even carry in your pocket. Although the case itself is a 3500 mAh battery, it's not too heavy to hold. It weighs just around 230 grams. Okay, enough about the case. Now let's talk about the earbuds. Similar to the case, the earbuds also has a matte painted finish in the bottom, and the top section has sort of a glossy finish. These are made of plastic and looks pretty cool. This section on the top inside the ring is touch sensitive and can be used for different commands. These earbuds have an IPX8 rating for water resistance. That means it's safe from any kind of damage from water splash or sweat. The second thing that I wanted to discuss is the sound quality. The drivers used in these are actually enlarged 8mm drivers as opposed to commonly used 6mm or 7mm drivers we see in most affordable earbuds. This larger size allows more clarity and separation, particularly at the lower end of the sound spectrum. Now we are comparing apples to apples here. Obviously, you'll get a better sound quality with over-the-ear headphones with bigger drivers, but for the size of these earbuds, the sound quality is pretty good. Audiophiles won't be disappointed. Phone call quality is also fairly good. The other person's voice will come through crisply and clearly, as will yours. There is no noise filtering on your end, so the mics will definitely pick up any loud noises you have around you. You can also make and receive calls using your voice assistants, for example, Siri for iOS and Google Assistant for Android devices. The X200 relies on passive noise cancelling for external noise. Essentially, this means that you have to have a nice ceiling around this to get the best sound quality. To achieve this, Vankyo includes 3 different sizes of ear tips inside their box. Not only a good fit will improve your overall sound experience, it will also make the earbuds as comfortable as possible. Now let's talk about connectivity. Vankyo's X200 uses the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. This is way faster and more stable than 4.2. Allowing higher bit rates for your music. The overall signal range is about 33 feet, and keep in mind that's without considering any obstacles between the earbuds and the source. I tried switching between different devices and there was no hiccup. Connecting to a new device was also a breeze. One other thing I always consider before buying any kind of wireless device is the battery life. The case itself holds a total charge of around 3500 mAh, which is fairly substantial for a case of this size. Now the earbuds themselves allow for 7 hours of playback or about 5 hours of talk time. The case allows for several recharges, up to a total of 120 hours. The case is capable of delivering a 1-hour charge in about 10 minutes of time. The case charges via micro USB and can be fully charged in just 2 hours. I also love how the earbuds simply snap back to the case. Moving on, let's talk about the extra features. On the back of each earbud, you'll find a soft touch button. These buttons can be used to play, pause and skip tracks, as well as to answer or end a phone call. And because they are soft touch, it won't cause any discomfort when you press them. Tap the touchpad once to play or pause music. Tap and hold the touchpad on the right earbud to increase the volume, and tap and hold the touchpad on the left earbud to decrease the volume. Tapping the earbuds 3 times will activate Siri on iOS devices and Google Assistant on Android devices. By the way, the case can also be used as a small backup power bank for your mobile when you need it. These fantastic earbuds retails for around $50 in the US, and on Amazon Canada they're currently $69.99 Canadian dollars. For the price, I think these are fantastic earbuds. So if you're in the market for a decent pair of wireless earbuds for an affordable price, look no further. Experience music, movies, podcasts, and more in a whole new way with Vankyo X200. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.